Welcome to this quick guide on how to change bicycle gears effectively. In this, we'll demystify the basics of the bicycle gear changing mechanism and explain the best methods to ensure a smooth ride. So, let's dive in. First, let's understand the bicycle gear changing mechanism. Most bikes have two sets of gears, the front chainrings and the rear cassette. The front chainrings, controlled by the left shifter, provide major changes in gear ratios, while the rear cassette, controlled by the right shifter, fine-tunes those ratios. When you shift gears, the chain moves between these components, altering your pedaling resistance. Now, the best methods for changing gears when shifting the rear gears with the right-hand shifter. Remember, the smaller cogs make pedaling easier, but reduce speed, while the larger cogs increase speed, but make pedaling harder. Using the left-hand shifter to change front gears offers more significant adjustments. Smaller chainrings make it easier to pedal uphill or in strong headwinds, while larger ones increase speed on flat terrain or downhill. Always aim to maintain a steady pedaling cadence. Ideally, you should shift just before you need to, rather than after. This prevents straining the chain or gear components. Remember to ease off the pedals momentarily when shifting to relieve pressure. But here's where avoiding cross-chaining becomes crucial. Cross-chaining occurs when the chain is at extreme angles, often in the smallest chainring with the smallest cog or the largest chainring with the largest cog. This position places unnecessary strain on the drivetrain, decreases efficiency, and can lead to premature wear. To avoid cross-chaining, remember this golden rule. If you're on the smaller chainring, use the larger cogs in the rear. And if you're on the larger chainring, use the smaller cogs in the rear. This keeps the chain straighter, reduces friction, and maximizes your bike's performance. To sum it up, the gear changing mechanism is all about finding the right balance between effort and speed. Use the left shifter for big adjustments and the right shifter for fine-tuning. Shift proactively and avoid cross-chaining for optimal performance and a smoother ride. So, whether you're cruising down a scenic road or tackling a challenging uphill, understanding your bike's gears and avoiding cross-chaining will help you enjoy every ride to the fullest. Thanks for watching this quick guide on changing bicycle gears. Happy cycling!